as a professor, I want to see more and more girls in our computing classes. Like all of them, bring me all your girls. Girls aren't born not liking science, right? One of the things we have a problem with in computer science is a pipeline problem. It's not that girls aren't ever getting into the pipeline, it's that they're not staying there. At some point they're dropping out. And as girls get older, they often get less interested in math and science, in part because you start to see, oh, well, that's the thing that boys are doing. I think that if we're going to get girls more interested in science, we also need to broaden our idea of what it is. Especially when you're a kid and you're thinking, what can I be when I grow up? It's sometimes influenced by literally being able to imagine yourself in that role. I think what I would really like girls to take away, both from Game Developer Barbie and Robotics Barbie, is that, hey, this is the thing I could do. If Barbie can do this, I could do this. But also, don't ever let other people tell you what you can or can't be. Right? Don't be too influenced by everything that you see around you. Even if you're seeing mostly men in a certain career, that doesn't matter. Like, you can do anything.